In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook too many requests problem. If Outlook is showing a message about too many requests, don't worry. This usually happens when the app or browser has sent too many connection attempts in a short time, or when there's a temporary issue with your internet connection. The good news is that there are a few simple things you can try to get it working again. To begin, open Outlook and check whether the issue still appears. This first check helps confirm that the problem is active before you start making changes. The first thing you should try is switching the network you're currently using. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try turning that off and using mobile data instead. If you're on mobile data, switch over to a Wi-Fi connection. Changing networks can help because the error is sometimes related to the connection itself, especially if the current network is unstable, restricted, or sending repeated requests too quickly. Once you've switched your connection, give it a moment to stabilize, and then try opening Outlook again. In many cases, this is enough to fix the issue right away. If Outlook loads normally, then the problem was most likely caused by the network you were using before. If you're still having the same problem, the next thing to do is refresh Outlook and try again. A refresh can help clear a temporary loading issue and prompt the app or browser to reconnect properly. After refreshing, wait a few seconds and see if Outlook starts working as expected. If the issue continues, you can move on to clearing your browsing data, which can help if stored cache or cookies are causing the repeated request error. To do this, click the three dots in your browser menu. From there, click Settings. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. Finally, click Delete to confirm. This step removes temporary stored data that may be interfering with Outlook. After the deletion is complete, open Outlook again and check whether the problem has been resolved. In many situations, clearing browsing data helps reset the connection and allows Outlook to load properly again. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have a good chance of fixing the Outlook too many requests problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into Outlook quickly and smoothly.